Kasi kung hindi, talaga, lalaw pa talaga ang momshie niyo. Good morning, moms! Welcome to another day in the life of a mom in the Philippines. So today, una kong ginawa this morning is naglinis ng mga sulat sa dingding. It's clean na. Ito lang ang gamit ko dyan. So, since obsessed na sila sa paglilinis sa pagsulat sa dingding, I've come up with this activity sa parking lot. Bumili ako ng chalk at doon ko sana sila pinapagsulat. Pero yun nga, minsan, nasosobrahan, nagsusulat pa rin sila sa mga walls. Eh, puti pa naman ang walls dito sa apartment. Kaya, ayun. Meron din akong film nung one time, sinulatan ni Rain itong sofa na to. Grabe! Grabe yung sulat niya. Itim na ballpen. Eh, leatherette yon.
A few moments later.
Last night I felt the storm coming fast, it broke the wall, scattered glass across the floor. I know this is the final war. There's no use trying to pretend, there's no way to comprehend, no way back, no way to mend. This means we have to end. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Mean words and your evil ways can make the strongest person break. You make me feel less than small. You tore me like a wrecking ball.
They're making cabinet downstairs. Diyan, yung pasukan. Yun na yun.
And the Jesus follower. You are a Jesus follower. This should be included. What's that? You have this in your work. You find it.
Sunday school. Are you ready for Sunday school, River?
Yes.
This is Sunday school today?
Yes.
Yeah.
I here.
There. Oh. Listen to praise songs. You're doing art today? Yeah, you're doing art with this later today, and this one. Are you excited?
Yes.
You want some snacks?
No.
Okay, no snacks. Okay.
I want this one.
Wait for teacher.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
So, hi Momshies! It has been, hindi ko kayo nakausap the whole day. Sobrang simple lang and relax ng araw na ito, guys. Sobrang, lang talaga, naglaro lang sila. Wala kami masyadong school na ginawa today kasi it's a Sunday, it's a rest day. And then, wala rin akong work. So, sobrang chill lang. Chill vibes on this vlog. And wala masyadong stress. So, thank you, Lord. Sobrang nag-ano lang kami today. Nag-feast, kumain, nag-nap si Rain. And ako, I tried to nap, hindi ako nakatulog. And by 4 o'clock, bumangon na ako. Katabi ko lang si Rain dito the whole time kanina. Hindi ko na yun na-i-vlog. Tapos, sinet up ko na si Kuya sa kanyang 4 o'clock Sunday school sa The Feast. Then, yun. And, nagising si Rain habang we're doing that. Kaya, medyo naputol na rin yung vlogging ko. And then after that, dinala ko na sila sa baba. Hindi ko nadala yung camera ko, pero my phone is with me, kaya I have some phone footage. Yun yung nakita nyo kanina. And ngayon, nasa taas naman kami ulit kasi malamok na by this time. Mga 5:30, ganon. Pinatakbo ko lang sila para hindi sila maburyo sa bahay na buong araw silang cooked up dito sa loob. So, ayun. And then, ngayon, magdi-dinner time na. Usually, hindi na kami nagdi-dinner ni Dada. And yung mga kids na lang. Kasi, we will have like a snack by 4 or 3, kape, ganun. Tapos, siguro, the next day naman kami ulit kakain. Yun lang yung parang effort namin para mag-jet. Kasi kung hindi, talaga, lalaw pa talaga ang momshie niyo. So, ayun. Kainin natin yung mga bata. And so, chill vibes lang talaga tong vlog na to. AKA boring vlog. I hope na somehow na-entertain kayo mga momshies. So, ayun. Let's go and let's feed the kids. Lugaw at egg yung kakainin nila. So, tara, let's go.
A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain guiding my way before, pouring like a water still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do.
So, hey Momshies! Just an update. Ayun na, yun ang ating buong araw today. A simple day in the Sunday. A simple Sunday in the life of a mom. Ayun na, nakakain na yung mga kids. Kapag toothbrush na, pajama na yan sila. And ready to sleep. And it's only around 7 o'clock right now. Kasi maaga ko talaga sila pinapakain, mga 6, ganun. And Dada is studying right now. Meron siyang inaaral para meron siyang bagong skills. And so he's studying right now all the hours na hindi siya nag-work. And habang nag-i-study siya, is hawak niya si Rain, and si Kuya is naglalaro pa rin ng mga toys. Pero maya-maya, matutulog na tayo. I'm just gonna take a break. A break again. Just gonna take it easy. It's a Sunday. And tomorrow, Monday, meron akong freelance work. And meron din akong mga church meetings. So, yun ang upcoming tomorrow. And, syempre, class ni Kuya. Ang kanyang online class. So, I hope that you enjoyed your Sunday with us, mga Momshies. Ako, super enjoy ako na i-share sa iyo. Super simple life lang talaga of a mom. And let me know down the comments anong klaseng videos ang gusto nyo makita from me. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!